Welcome to another deep dive. You guys sent in some fascinating stuff about XRP and HBAR. So we're diving into the crypto world, exploring insights from Raoul Pal. Buckle up. We're talking market cycles, global liquidity, and even Pal's predictions based on business cycles.
Raoul Pal's breakdown of crypto market cycles is really insightful.
So how do these cycles work, and how can understanding them benefit an investor?
It's like a dance, with Bitcoin leading the way.
I like that analogy.
First, Bitcoin surges, its price skyrocketing. Then comes alt season, where investors diversify into other cryptocurrencies.
Riding that broader market wave.
Exactly. Finally, investors become more discerning, seeking coins with strong fundamentals and real-world use.
Makes sense. So early on, Bitcoin's the focus, then it shifts to altcoins, especially those with practical applications.
You got it. But remember, corrections are natural in these cycles. Scary, yes, but they often create opportunities.
Especially for those understanding the cyclical nature of the market.
Right. Bitcoin especially bounces back strong after dips.
Raoul Pal compares today's economic climate to 2016-2017, emphasizing global liquidity's impact on crypto.
Yeah, the weakening US dollar pushes investors towards assets that can hedge against inflation.
Crypto, being decentralized and growth-oriented, fits the bill.
For sure. In 2017, similar conditions fueled a crypto bull run, with China increasing its balance sheet and the Fed managing dollar liquidity.
Interesting parallel. But historical patterns aren't guarantees. What other factors does Raoul Pal consider?
He dives into institutional investors' growing influence on crypto.
They're becoming major players, right?
Absolutely. With a market cap exceeding $3 trillion, their participation is crucial for sustained growth.
Because their strategies increasingly dictate market trends.
Exactly. Their large capital pools heavily influence prices.
Understanding these macro trends and institutional moves is crucial then.
It all ties into Pal's bullishness on XRP and HBAR. He thinks they're set to benefit from these trends.
Perfect segue. Let's explore why he's so optimistic about XRP and HBAR and what sets them apart.
It's how Raoul Pal links those macro trends to XRP and HBAR. They're not just random picks, they're strategic, based on his analysis.
He's definitely keyed in on the demand for alternative stores of value, with inflation and the dollar weakening. So where do XRP and HBR fit in?
Well, XRP tackles a real issue, efficient cross-border payments.
So it's not just trying to be digital cash. It has a specific purpose in the financial system.
Right. Current cross-border transactions are slow, pricey, and opaque, using outdated systems. XRP changes that.
So it's not just theoretical, it's actually being used.
Yeah, financial institutions are adopting it globally for settlements. That real-world use, plus its tech, makes it attractive.
Makes sense. What about HBR? How does it fit into this shifting financial landscape?
HBR's focus is scalability and security, building a base for the next generation of decentralized applications.
Wow, that's a broad scope. So like NFTs, supply chains, voting systems, all running on HBAR.
Exactly. It's the infrastructure for a new digital economy, with fast, secure, and transparent transactions.
What gives HBR an edge in such a fast-moving tech space?
It's governance. HBR is governed by a council of major organizations like Google, IBM, LG Electronics.
Big names. That brings instant credibility, right?
Absolutely. It signals stability, a commitment to long-term growth. It ties back to institutional investment, too.
Because as these big players enter the crypto space, they'll be drawn to projects like HBAR with strong governance.
Exactly. It's a key factor for those risk-averse institutions.
So for someone trying to make sense of all this, what are the takeaways from Raoul Pal's analysis?
He stresses aligning your strategy with those broader macro trends. Understand liquidity, watch institutional moves, look for intrinsic value and real-world use cases.
So we need to look beyond price charts and into the underlying forces driving the market.
Absolutely. Don't chase hype or get swayed by short-term swings. Focus on projects solving real problems with solid tech and real adoption.
That's insightful, but it's a lot to process. What are some practical steps for someone wanting to explore XRP and HBAR further?
Research their use cases, see how XRP is used for payments, what's being built on HBAR, understand their advantages and the challenges they face.
So go beyond the surface. Really grasp the tech, the teams, the whole ecosystem.
You got it. Don't rely on headlines or social media. Go to reputable sources, read white papers, explore their websites, engage with their communities.
The more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make.
Right. And patience is key. Crypto is volatile. Don't panic sell when there are dips. Focus on the long-term potential.
Easy to get caught up in the hype and price swings. but a long-term view is crucial.
And speaking of long-term, Raoul Pal has predictions based on business cycles that could be really relevant for anyone investing in crypto, especially XRP and HBAR.
Okay, now that's intriguing. Let's dig into those predictions and see what they reveal about the future of the crypto market. Okay, we've talked crypto market dynamics, Raoul Pal's views, and the potential of XRP and HBAR. Now, for those long-term predictions, the business cycle stuff, what could it mean for crypto investors?
Well, Raoul Pal uses the ISM Business Survey. It's a key economic indicator. And right now, it suggests we're early in a potentially big growth cycle, maybe lasting till Q1 2026.
That's a while, especially compared to that March 2021 peak. So a long growth cycle, how does that play out in the crypto market?
So as the ISM keeps rising, above 50, that signals economic expansion, and that can boost all sorts of assets, including crypto.
A rising tide lifts all boats, as they say.
Exactly. A rising ISM usually means companies earn more, households have more income, investing just feels better overall.
So crypto being a growth-focused asset, it could really benefit from that long boom.
Right, and that's where XRP and HBAR come in. They're not just solving problems, they're set up to ride that wave of institutional money flowing into crypto.
Let's unpack that. How do they fit in with all that institutional investment coming in?
Think about it. Financial institutions, they want smoother cross-border payments, lower costs.
Right.
XRP is already doing that. It's got the tech, and it's getting adopted.
So as institutions warm up to crypto, they'll go for something established, something with a track record.
Exactly. Now, some institutions want to use blockchain for more than just payments, right?
Yeah, makes sense.
That's where HBAR comes in. Secure, scalable, ready for enterprises. Plus, its governance with that council of industry giants gives it that extra trust factor.
Especially for institutions that are still a bit cautious about crypto. So it sounds like Raoul Pal's betting on a big institutional wave driven by this long growth cycle. But for someone new to all this, it can feel like a lot. What advice would you give them as they start their crypto journey?
Honestly, learn the basics.
The fundamentals.
Exactly. Understand blockchain, the different types of crypto, what makes the market move. Don't get caught up in the hype or make decisions out of fear.
Or greed.
Right. Take your time, do your research, think long term.
So do your own deep dive, really learn, and don't get distracted by all the market noise.
That's it. And remember, crypto's constantly changing. Stay curious, stay informed, never stop learning. The more you know, the better you'll navigate this exciting world and maybe even see those rewards.
Great advice. Well, thanks for joining us for this deep dive into XRP and HBAR. We've covered market cycles, global liquidity, those powerful institutional investors, and the unique potential of these two projects. But this is just the start. Keep exploring, dig deeper into XRP and HBAR, and make smart decisions that match your goals. And remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of crypto.